Welcome back to Azure DevOps Sprint channel. Today, I'm going to talk about this new feature named Import Work Items from a CSV file that was introduced on Sprint 159. Previously, if we want to import more than one work item, we need to connect Excel to Azure Boards. Now we have this first class implementation. We need to come here in Queries, then select the Import Work Items. We can click here and then choose this CSV file and just click Import. And all the work items will be shown here. If we have some problems, it will be highlighted. We need to fix it. And after all work items is okay, we can click in Save. And all the work items are imported. I hope that you guys like this video. If so, please click in like and share with your friends. Thank you.